Hey, you got 30 years experience, man. There's no reason that shit. I ain't never did that. That's some 8th grader type stuff. After my 10th year experience, I stopped doing that. You have 30 years experience. Like, it tells you when it's full, don't it? Look, right here. ASE Master Mechanic, and you still making rookie mistakes. Shame on you, man. That is terrible. I cannot believe it. It don't matter how fast you clean it up. The mere fact that it happened. Hey, you ought to be shaming yourself. I'm just saying, man, that is a rookie mistake. Oh, then you finna smear it around? Oh, come on, man. That's not the... No, I thought we put salt down there or something. Not really salt, but the putty, because it absorbs it. Just saying, it should have never happened, man. 30 years experience, man. You ought to be shaming yourself. I can't bear to watch. I'm leaving. I'm going back on my side where we got sense. We got common sense over here on my side. We don't make rookie mistakes like that. Look at the rookie down here. Even the rookie down here laughing at you. It's not funny, rookie. I'm sure that has happened to you. Even doing the oil change, you let all the oil spill out. 1 hour later. All right, look. Dude, it's still a mess. Hey, the chicken here, man. Chicken here. You want a Popeye or chicken? KFC.